need you to hear, and don't show any fear.
Hello and welcome to this week's video. This is part of Steve and Bryan's hashtag Tophatweek. Little bit of a fun project. Ideal for people to make out of scraps they've got laying around the workshop. Great idea. So big thumbs up to Steve and Bryan. Links for their videos, their channels are in the description. Go over and check the awesome work out that they do. This is also an ideal beginner's project. Simple shape, bit of practicing with your tools, bit of practicing at some hollowing. So yeah, let's make the magic happen.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Even if I try to leave, you still make me wanna stay. You ask me to believe in the words that you say, but I can't be strong if you can't move on. Don't you think we've had enough of the trauma thinking we can get through anything, 'cause I can't move on if you can't be strong. But every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same, and I waited for a lifetime. So you say you wanna change, but lately things have been the same. And it's my heart you're holding back again, and I can't be strong if you can't move on. Every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. Now is the time for you to leave the past We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. When I hear you say my name, it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bye.